accompanied our colleague to appear before the Committee of the Electoral Commission, presided over by the Chairman of the Electoral Commission, Mr. Chebukati, on purported accusations relating to utterances which have been assigned to the Honorable Member and our colleague, Honorable Sabina Chege. When the matter was called out, we raised several objections, fundamentally to do with their jurisdiction of the committee and the Electoral Commission in handling this matter. Unfortunately, they have decided that they have jurisdiction. We raised 5 or more grounds as to why this matter should not proceed before the committee. But all we can say now is that we are getting the necessary material, including the decision, the clip, which is in possession and custody of the Electoral Commission. The legal team will sit down and look at this material and make a decision on the way forward. But I want to say this without fear of contradiction. If ever there was a person who is advocating and promoting the handshake and the desire to have one nation called Kenya, an indivisible nation, it is Honorable Sabina Chege. She has been going all over the Republic, speaking the language of peace and unity, and to our consternation, she's been summoned before the Commission to answer to utterances which, when you look at it properly, they don't amount to the accusations that the Electoral Commission is presenting to us. The full text of what she said has not formed the basis of the breach that the Electoral Commission is talking about. And therefore, we are going to mount a challenge, and a big one, because if ever there is one person now I can talk about in this country that is trying to preach the language of peace, the language of free and fair elections, and a country without borders or boundaries, because she's been everywhere, and I'm sure she's going to go everywhere. That person is Honorable Sabina Chege.